In this video, we'll be going over the basic layout of the Constitution of the United States of America. The first part is the Preamble, which is basically the introduction. It states what our goal is. Article 1 discusses the legislative branch, which is Congress. It lays out what the requirements are to be a member of the legislature, the House and the Senate, the two parts of it, and what their powers are, what their responsibilities are. Article 2 talks about the President of the United States and establishes him as the head of the executive branch of government. Talks about some of his powers and some of the things he's in charge of, such as being Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. Armed Forces. Article 3 lays out the Judicial Branch. It talks about the Supreme Court and what they're in charge of, what they do. Article 4 talks about state governments and the separation of powers between state governments and federal governments. Article 5 talks about the process of amending the Constitution. When you change an amendment basically means a change to the Constitution. And that's what an amendment is. It's a constitutional change. Article 6 establishes the Constitution of the United States of America as the supreme law of the land. Article 7 laid out how ratification took place. After the articles comes the Bill of Rights, which is the first 10 amendments of the United States. After that comes the rest of the amendments. So this is just the basic framework of the Constitution.